From smart safety upgrades to fun lighting and must-have tech add-ons, these car gadgets are designed to make every drive smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on road trips, each product adds real convenience, style, and functionality you'll actually use. All products links in the description section below. Ever been on a long drive or busy Uber shift when everyone's battery hits red at the same time? This retractable backseat car phone charger quietly fixes that everyday headache. Designed for ride-share drivers, families, and road trippers, it keeps iPhones, Androids, and even Type-C laptops powered without cable clutter. The retractable cords stay neat, passengers stay happy, and fast charging means less waiting and more moving. It's one of those car upgrades you don't think about until you use it daily. If convenience, organization, and happier rides matter, this charger is worth plugging in at $28.99 on every single ride. Driving feels very different when you can actually see everything happening behind you. This wide-angle rearview mirror instantly expands your view, making lane changes, parking, and busy city driving feel calmer and more controlled. Whether you're commuting daily, driving ride-share passengers, or heading out on long highway trips, the anti-glare coating helps reduce harsh sunlight and blinding headlights at night. It clips on in seconds, stays steady on rough roads, and quietly boosts confidence every time you glance up. If safer visibility matters on every drive, this simple upgrade delivers real value at $14.99 for safer everyday driving journeys. Keeping an eye on your car's performance doesn't have to feel technical or distracting. This OBD2 GPS car speedometer puts key driving data right where you can see it, helping everyday commutes feel smoother and more controlled. From real-time speed and RPM to alerts that keep you aware on long drives, it's especially useful for highway cruising, night driving, or anyone who enjoys understanding how their car behaves. The clean display, customizable themes, and simple setup make it easy to use daily without fuss. If you like driving informed and in control, this upgrade delivers clarity at $32.99 for smarter, more confident driving. There's a different kind of confidence that comes from knowing your car is truly protected, especially when it's parked overnight or left in busy public spaces. This full-cover steering wheel lock is built to do exactly that, acting as a powerful visual and physical deterrent against theft. It fits snugly, installs easily, and its spinning design makes attacks frustrating and ineffective. Whether you're safeguarding a daily driver or a prized vehicle, it adds real peace of mind every single day. For serious, long-term security that pays off, this premium protection stands strong at $249.99 for wearing free vehicle protection daily. Keeping your eyes on the road while staying aware of your speed makes every drive feel safer and more relaxed. This heads-up display projects clear, easy-to-read speed data right in your line of sight, so you're not constantly glancing down at the dashboard. Automatic brightness adjustment keeps it visible day or night, while the speeding alert adds an extra layer of protection during daily commutes or long highway trips. Plug-and-play setup means you're ready in minutes. If you value simple tech that quietly improves driving awareness, this HUD delivers convenience at $16.99 for calmer, more focused daily driving. Driving with full awareness feels effortless when your rearview mirror doubles as a powerful dash cam. This mirror dash cam records stunning front and rear footage while blending seamlessly into your daily drive. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or driving rideshare, it quietly documents everything in crystal clear detail, even at night. Voice control and built-in GPS keep things hands-free and stress-free, while loop recording means you never miss a moment. It's one of those upgrades you forget is there until you need it most. For all-around protection and clarity, this smart setup delivers at $269.99 for total driving confidence every day. Upgrading your car's tech doesn't have to mean replacing the whole dashboard. This wireless CarPlay screen instantly turns any vehicle into a smart, connected ride, perfect for daily commutes, road trips, or ride-share driving. Navigation, music, calls, and voice control are right at your fingertips, while the bright display stays clear, even in direct sunlight. With a built-in dash cam and backup camera, it also adds an extra layer of safety without extra installs. If you want modern features with zero hassle, this portable screen delivers big convenience at $74.99 for a smarter, safer drive daily. If you're tired of plugging in your phone every single time you start the car, this wireless CarPlay adapter feels like a small upgrade that makes a big difference. It keeps your dashboard clean, connects automatically, and lets you access maps, music, and calls the moment you turn the key. Perfect for daily commuting or quick errands, it removes cable clutter without changing your car's factory system. Setup takes minutes, and after that it just works quietly in the background. For a smoother, more convenient drive every day, this adapter delivers freedom at $39.99 for effortless wireless CarPlay convenience. Sometimes standing out is as simple as sending the right message at the right moment. This programmable LED sign turns your car, shop window, or event setup into a dynamic attention grabber, perfect for rideshare drivers, food trucks, or small businesses. With bright colors, scrolling text, and fun animations controlled straight from your phone, it lets you switch messages in seconds to match your mood or audience. Lightweight and flexible, it installs easily and stores away just as fast. If visibility and creativity matter to you, this sign delivers impact with pricing at $29.99 for bold visual communication everywhere. A clutter-free trunk makes every drive feel smoother, whether you're running errands, hauling groceries, or heading out on a weekend trip. This large car trunk organizer keeps everything neatly in place with adjustable compartments that adapt to whatever you're carrying that day. The durable build handles heavy loads, while the detachable cooler bag is perfect for keeping drinks or groceries at the right temperature. When you don't need it, it folds down easily without taking space. If organization and convenience matter in your daily driving routine, this organizer delivers real value at $39.99 for a cleaner, stress-free trunk setup. If you want your car to stand out the moment the sun goes down, Underglow lighting adds instant personality. This LED underbody kit transforms nighttime drives into a visual statement, whether you're cruising the city, heading to a car meet, or just enjoying a weekend drive. With app and remote control, you can match colors to your mood, sync lights to music, or keep it clean and subtle. Built tough for all weather, it's style without the stress. For drivers who love custom flair, this kit shines bright at $89.99 for bold, head-turning night vibes. A solid phone mount makes a surprising difference on everyday drives, especially when you rely on navigation or hands-free calls. This magnetic car phone holder lets you position your phone exactly where you want it, bending and adjusting to match your dashboard and driving style. The strong magnetic grip keeps your phone steady even on rough roads, so there's no wobbling or readjusting mid-drive. Installation is quick, and once it's set, it just works quietly in the background. If comfort and safer phone access matter, this mount delivers reliability at $28.99 for stress-free, hands-free driving daily. Emergencies never wait, but being prepared makes all the difference. This 18-in-1 car safety hammer goes far beyond a simple window breaker. It's a flashlight, power bank, seatbelt cutter, and even a USB rechargeable survival tool. Perfect for long drives, camping trips, or unexpected roadside situations, it gives you the versatility and confidence to handle almost anything. From breaking glass to charging your phone or signaling for help, every feature is designed with safety in mind. For drivers who want peace of mind wherever they go, this all-in-one tool delivers at $32.99 for ultimate on-the-go safety readiness. Give your car or motorcycle a bold, stand-out look with these decorative devil eye lights. Featuring bright circular halos and 6 animated patterns, they add style and visibility, perfect for night rides or showing off at car meets. Controlled via remote or handlebar switch, you can easily switch modes or loop animations for continuous effects. Built tough with dust-proof, shock-proof, and waterproof materials, they handle all weather conditions while turning heads wherever you go. If you love unique, eye-catching upgrades that combine flair and function, these lights deliver at $49.99 for striking, all-weather style. Stepping out of your car at night suddenly feels a lot more special with these door lights logo projectors. As soon as the door opens, a crisp, glowing logo lights up the ground, adding style while also helping you see where you're stepping. They're rechargeable, wire-free, and surprisingly easy to install. No tools, no stress. Perfect for daily commutes, late-night drives, or just showing off a little personality in the parking lot. They quietly upgrade your car's vibe. It's one of those small touches that makes your ride feel custom and fun. At just $21.99, they're worth experiencing on every single night drive. If your car's stereo still relies on an AUX cable, this Bluetooth adapter is an easy way to bring it back to life. Plug it in, pair your phone, and suddenly your daily drives are filled with wireless music, podcasts, and clear hands-free calls. The LED screen keeps you aware of battery and volume, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable, lag-free connection whether you're commuting or cruising. It's simple, practical, and perfect for anyone who wants modern convenience without changing their car setup. At only $16.99, it's a smart upgrade for every drive you take daily. If your car already has wired CarPlay, this adapter feels like unlocking a hidden upgrade. Plug it in once, and your phone connects wirelessly every time you start the car. No cables, no fuss. On daily commutes, it keeps maps, calls, and music smooth and familiar. On longer drives or park breaks, switching to screen mirroring lets you stream videos straight to your dashboard with impressively low lag and sensed audio. It's compact, practical, and made for drivers who want more flexibility without replacing their head unit. Grab it now for $69.99 on every long road trip. Sometimes driving is all about communication, and this hand gesture light adds a playful way to do it without rolling down a window. Mounted on your rear window, it's easy to switch between gestures using the remote, whether you're saying thanks, asking for space, or just adding personality to your ride. The bright LEDs stay visible day or night, and installation takes only minutes with the included Velcro. It's a fun conversation starter and a light-hearted accessory for everyday drives. Try it out for $12.81 and enjoy the road with extra personality. If your car still relies on an AUX port, this Bluetooth adapter feels like a simple modern upgrade that just works. Plug it in, start the engine, and your favorite playlists, podcasts, and calls instantly stream without fumbling with cables. The stable Bluetooth 5.4 connection keeps audio clear, while noise cancellation makes hands-free calls sound natural, even in traffic. It's perfect for daily commutes, long drives, or anyone who wants wireless freedom without replacing their stereo. Small, durable, and effortless to use, it's an easy add-on worth trying at $17.99 for smoother, smarter drives every single day. If your car feels short on power outlets, this heavy-duty cigarette lighter splitter instantly fixes that problem. Perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or long-haul drives, it lets you power multiple devices at once, from dash cams and GPS units to phone chargers and even mini fridges. The independent switches keep things organized, while the LED voltage display helps you monitor battery health in real time. Built tough for cars and trucks, it's a practical upgrade that keeps everything running smoothly. Grab it for $21.99 and stay powered wherever the road takes you next. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.